Okay, ladies, it's time to perform side leg raises. Stand with your feet together with your arms on your hips. Take the left leg out and hold it for a moment, then bring it back down. Do this for 12 repetitions on each leg. Don't forget to breathe through the exercise. You're doing good. Let's take the next leg. Perform 12 repetitions of that as well. Don't forget to breathe. Push yourself. I know you can feel the burn. The next exercise is the alternating front lunges. Make sure that your back is straight, your chin is up, your knees are at a 90 degrees. Okay, now perform this exercise slowly. You're going to do 12 repetitions of this exercise. Keep your tummy tucked in so you can have balance when performing this workout. Don't forget to breathe and push yourself through 12 repetitions. The next workout is the Plie Squats. Make sure that you're standing with your feet spaced slightly wider than your shoulder width apart. Point your toes outwards. Bend your knees and lower your body until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Come up and repeat the exercise 12 times. Do 12 repetitions of this exercise and don't forget to breathe through your workout. Very good. Next exercise is the squats with 3 pulses. So make sure that your feet are shoulder width apart. Lower your body and pulse 3 times before you come up. Make sure also that you are squeezing your bum on your way up. Breathe through the exercise. You will definitely feel the burn. Repeat 12 rounds of this exercise. I mean 12 repetitions. Let's go. I know you can do it. Breathe. Very good. Come on, girl. Very good. The next exercise is the fire hydrant in and out. Position yourself on the ground with your hands and knees totally on the ground, keeping the knee in a bent position. Move the knee away from the midline of the body and return to starting position. Then perform the donkey kicks right after. Make sure you're squeezing your bum in this process as well. Repeat 12 times. Do 12 rounds of this exercise on each leg. It's gonna burn. Turn on the other side and perform the exercise as well. Don't forget to breathe. You're doing a very good job. Very good. I know you can do it. I'm proud of you. Very good. Keep going. Don't give up. Keep fighting through the burn. Take 60 seconds to rest and we're going to do the next set. Now after resting, we repeat the exercise. This is round 2. We are performing the side leg raises again. So make sure that you're standing with your feet together with your arms on your hips. Take the left leg out, hold it for a moment, then bring it back down. Do this for 12 repetitions on each leg. I know you're tired, but you can push yourself. I know you can do this. Breathe through the exercise. Have fun when doing the exercise, ladies. You can do this. Breathe. Very good. Next exercise. Now the drill, ladies. Alternating front lunges are up next. Keep your body straight with your shoulders and back, chin up. You should be tucking in your tummy to hold the balance. Lower your legs down and make sure that you have them at a 90 degrees while performing this exercise. Don't forget to breathe and keep focused on what you're doing. Next exercise. Next workout is the plie squat. Stand with your feet spaced slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Your legs should be pointed outwards and you are lowering your body down and coming up. Make sure that you are squeezing your bum when you're coming up, ladies. You're going to really feel this, okay? It's going to burn. I'm sorry, but it will burn. But I want you guys to push through it because I know that you are strong. You're a strong lady, a strong mama. Come on, I know you can do it. Good. Next up, fire hydrants in and out. Position yourself on the floor with your hands on the ground. Keep the knee in a bent position and move the knee away from the midline of the body and then return to a starting position. Then you can perform the fire hydrants as you see what I'm doing, okay? Perform this exercise with 12 repetitions on each side. I promise you that this will burn and I really want you to push through it. Don't give up. No matter how much it's burning, don't give up, okay? Turn on the other side and do this exercise again. Don't forget to breathe and push yourself because this is where you are going to get the results that you want. Push yourself through the exercise, okay? Let's go, ladies. I know you are strong. You can do this. If I can do it, you can do it as well. Come on, let's go. You got this. That's my girl. Good job. Push through it. I know that it burns. Push through it. Okay, relax for a while now, waiting for the next exercise. Next up is the squats with 3 pulses. This is gonna kill you, but not really. So have your feet should be shoulder width apart. Lower your body and pulse 3 times before coming up. When you come up, make sure that you're squeezing your bum. Push through the exercise and breathe. I know you can do it because you're a strong woman, okay? If I can do it, you can do it too. Don't forget to breathe. And I would love to thank you for watching my video and the workouts that I've done right now. If they really help you, I would like you to subscribe to my channel and let you know that you should be staying tuned for my next workout. Bye.